306 SE, Aerospace Control Systems. Every aircraft needs a control system to keep it up in the air, and with larger aircraft these days, pilots can't handle it all by themselves, so we need a certain amount of automation and system input to keep our aircraft in the air. In 306, we will show you how to do this. We will give you an introduction to analog systems and also introduce you to some mathematical tools such as MATLAB in order to help you analyse and understand these control systems, and to a point how to design certain types of controller which will allow for feedback and various other types of input and output to be managed by your aircraft system. You will work in groups and individually, doing various courseworks and a final exam to understand various types and how they apply to different types of aircraft. You'll also study flight dynamics. Flight dynamics is how an aircraft stays in the air and how we manage its elements such as stability or certain manoeuvres around its various axes. Within this, you will also learn about rates of turn, by how many degrees your aircraft is turning and degrees of rotation, and how again to calculate these and work these together in both a mathematical terminology and also in modelling terminology through software that we will teach you. This module gives you such a wide range and a brilliant introduction into control systems, which are such a heavy part of aircraft. These days, all companies will need a control system for their aircraft, and not only that, there are also subsystems that need control systems. And in today's industry, it's a vital element to your future aerospace career. You must be able to understand how the system is controlled and also why it is done so. Keeping something stable in the air is harder than you think. Even with the best pilot in the world, he can't control the wind, the humidity of the air, the density of the air at various heights, all these sorts of things involved in a control system, and also the wider system that is known as the flight management system and the stability augmentation system, all of which you will learn about how they work and how we apply them in 306 SE.